Morning, guys. This is Frosty. I'm doing a little unboxing on a product that I ordered from a guy. I guess hell, it's been 3-4 weeks ago. I think it came from China. Not sure. Took forever, but it's not their fault. Coronavirus. It's a pump for a computer I'm building. This is the reservoir. Comes very well night wrapped. This is the reservoir here. You can see it's got a metal plate on top. Let me open it up here a little bit. These are the that is a swirl protector thing in here. You can see that thing. It keeps it from swirling around and foaming and frothing. This is plastic. It's from China. Plastic. These are the parts that come with it. Plastic. And this is the pump that come with it. You take this and you connect it inside to your computer, and you can regulate the flow, you know. Plastic. No in, no out, no nothing. Everybody got that? Same product. Metal. Better pump. Better backing. Better connection plate. Because this one just sucks. This pump just screws into the bottom. This other one, the pump just screws into the bottom here. This one, you've actually got a connection between the two. This is a plate to connect the pump to. This is the wiring. This is the connection, the Molex connection. Much better than this piece of crap right here. Same price. Same price. Actually, this one was probably a little bit cheaper. You also have a downspout here on this one, so that when your fluid returns back in here, it goes down into the container to where your fluid level should be here, and you won't have that frothing and swirl and all the other stuff. Frothing and swirl, guys, is, let me show you what frothing and swirl is. If you have a container, let me go over this way and bring this thing up on my computer here. I gotta figure out how to work this gimbal. On my computer here, you will have that right there. That's frothing and swirl. Let me see if I can turn the light out and see that a little better. See that? This is a self-contained unit built into the system. There's a pump built into the back. It goes into the computer here. That goes up into there, goes up into there, and that's what keeps your everything cool in there. That's your CPU. This is your video card, and then it'll go down from there. Let me move around. Well, you can tell ain't much on this gimbal. It goes down into there, and there is a, down in the bottom here is where you have your system set up to where you can have, I'm gonna swing it around here. Let's do this. you can have your radiator. My radiator is down there in the bottom. This is a piece of crap that I got from China. This one here, you can see the two. This is a piece of crap. This one over here is nice. So that's how it works. Boy, this, you know, this gimbal, it's an automatic on this gimbal, guys. Sorry about that, but it does its own thing. I'm learning how to use it. Everything's backwards. If I want to go right, I go right. If I want to go left, I go left. If I want to go up, I go down. I got it. Okay. Anyway, that's the video. Sorry about all the confusion. But this one that I ordered, and I know this is a little bit long, but I'm getting into my account, and I'm going to tell you which company that you want to order from as far as products. So on these two pumps for the computer, if you're building a computer, the best one of the two is, like I said, the one that's actually here in the United States. And it sucks. It sucks. This one in the United States came from a company called LENX. And it is, let me show you here. Let me go around here and I'll show you. This is the one that's the nice one. And it's BXQINLENX. And the other one you can see on the top is sold by Yincoli. It sucks. You look at them, they look the same. But when you look at the difference between the two, you can see the little bitty cable on that one, and you can see the bigger cable on that one. This is the one that's better. This is the one you want to buy. And it's believe me, it's a much better pump. Okay, guys, this is Frosty. I'm sorry for this video, but I was a little bit ill prepared. Thanks for watching.